I went to war in 1967. What struck me was, here am I. I knew a lot of colleagues with whom we trained together, with whom we schooled together. Now here am I facing them in war. I never imagined that I will find myself in a situation of war with people who have been my friends, who unfortunately were on the other side. Well, I think I did because it was a job I had to do. And maybe it is a job that they on the other end have to do. But I found that really, really very touching moment in my life.